Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're gonna cook up some truffle fries. So, pull up a chair, sit down, and let's get cooking. We have 4 big russet potatoes already washed. We're gonna go ahead and slice those up. We have this handy dandy French fry cutter here. So we're just gonna put it right down in there. We'll line it up and cut. Just like that. Skins and all, because they are washed. We're just gonna get those right off of there. And we're gonna put them straight in a bowl because we're gonna soak them in cold water to remove the excess starch. For about a half an hour, up to 2 hours you can go. All cut up like that. So we have them all down in our bowl. We're just going to add some cold water and we're going to let them sit, like I said, half hour up to 2 hours to get that starch off, depending on what time you have for a time limit. So we're only probably going to go about a half an hour. We need to make supper and we need to get to bed. All right, so our steak fries have soaked in this cold water to get the starch off for over 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and drain these, and then we're going to pat them nice and dry. Want to make sure that they're good and dry before we go ahead and add the seasoning and move on. So let's just let these drain. Our fries are drained. We're going to go ahead and just pat them dry. Try to get anything that's excess off of them, even though they drained most of the excess. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just spread them out, dry them off. You don't need to get like your hair dryer out here or anything like that. You just need to kind of pat them dry a little bit. We're going to set our oven at 450 for now. And our rack is on the middle rack. We're going to go ahead and throw these back in our bowl that is dry. Our fries are dry. The bowl is dry. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. About a teaspoon of the Kinder's buttery garlic herb. Half a teaspoon of the Kinder's all-purpose. And some white pepper. I know, I got like 4 bottles of this shit now. I like avocado oil, obviously. I bought some. He bought some. Then I bought some when we went to South Carolina that Mel sent home with us. And then I turned around and I bought some more. This one's not open though. Give me, I guess, one of the ones that are open, please.
Those are other ones. I only saw the. You told me to buy this.
I know.
Sam's Club a while ago.
There's like 3 of them now. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of this avocado oil. Whatever one you want to use. Obviously, I have an infatuation with it all of a sudden, so I have 3 of them, 3 different sizes, 3 different brands. Do what you want. We're just going to give these a toss to get everything generously coated. Get the seasoning everywhere, the olive oil everywhere, that little bit of cornstarch on them. Those are looking good and smelling good. We're going to take our oven, our cookie sheet, baking pan, whatever you want to call it. We're going to add some parchment paper to it. We're going to dump these out and try to make them on a single layer if possible. I get all that extra oil and seasoning, because why not? Waste not, want not. They will be best if you have them on a single layer. We we are going to stir them in between, so do what you have for your pan size. This is a pretty big pan. This is like a restaurant baking sheet, but it still isn't quite big enough for all 4 of these to be. They're pretty much, for the most part, a single layer here, but they are touching. Ideally, if you could get them not touching, that would be awesome. That looks pretty good for what we got. We're going to stick these in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes. Then we're going to flip them and we will bake them for another 15 to 20 minutes. Middle rack. Our fries have been in for 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull those out, flip them all over, and put them back in. Fries are in, 20 more minutes. Then we'll put them under the broiler for 2 minutes. And these fries are gonna go on the top shelf, and we're gonna broil them to make them nice and crispy. Our fries are done, so we're gonna go ahead and give them a little bit of salt with this garlic salt. While they're still hot, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of white truffle oil and our freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. There you have it, the ultimate truffle steak fries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget to share this video out. Help us reach that 100,000 subscribers. Appreciate all of you. Till next time, stay cooking.